morning, students. Today we will continue with lesson number 4, Energy. It is part 2, video number 19 of class 6 Physics. We will discuss about simple machines in this part of the chapter. Simple machine we will discuss through this animation. Simple machine used by the people from many years. Let's see something. Oh, thousands years ago, when man lived in the cave, by chance a rock covering your entry of the cave, how would you move? Oh, with the force, not possible. Then with the stick, failed. So, most of the scientists, they discover or invent a simple machine to make the work conveniently or easily. Big rocks or heavy loaded material can be moved easily by using simple machine like inclined plane. Simple machines are very mechanical devices used by the man. 6. Simple machines, wheel and axle. Wheel and axle, it make our work easier by causing movement and placing the heavy material from one place to another. For example, skateboard, inclined plane. It is a flat surface which is inclined. It can help to move material up and down. For example, slide. Wedge. Wedge is a triangular tool and portable inclined plane through which we can cut the material easily. For example, axe. Knife is also the example of wedge. Screw. Screw is a long thin metal with a thread around it and it has groove over it so that it can be lift the material easily or hold the things easily. Lever. Lever has effort and load which is controlled by the central point fulcrum or pivot. It can lift the material easily from one place to another. Pulley. Pulley is a wheel with a groove in which rope is adjusted. Through that rope, we can lift the heavy material up and down. With the help of the pulley system, rock climber can climb the steep surface easily. So, in this animation, we have discussed 6 simple machines: wheel and axle, inclined plane, wedge, screw, lever, and pulley. Now we will discuss through the book about these simple machines.
Types of simple machine. There are 6 basic types of simple machine given in this table. Simple machine, their important features and examples. Lever. Lever consists of a rigid bar that freely rotates around a pivot point called fulcrum. It can be seen in seesaw, lemon squeezer, bottle opener, forceps, etc. Inclined plane. Inclined plane is a flat, sloping surface that reduces the force needed to move up or down. It is used as a ramp in buildings to offload things from trucks, etc. Screw. Screw is a cylindrical, pointed thin rod with the spiral winding. It is used to lift things up like in car jack or used with nuts to fix things together. Wedge. A wedge has 2 sloping surfaces tapped to form an edge. It generally used to split things like a chisel or an axe. Wheel and axle. Wheel and axle consist of a wheel attached to a rod called the axle. There are 2 there are two cylinders. If one rotates, other one also rotates. It is used in pedals of a cycle, drilling machines, door knobs, steering wheels, screwdrivers, etc. Pulley. A pulley is a wheel with a groove that has a rope wrapped around it. An object attached to one end of the rope can be moved by pulling on the other end of the rope. The wheel of the pulley rotates when force is exerted to one end of the rope. The pulley helps to lift load attached to the other end of the rope. A pulley makes work easier by either changing the direction or the amount of force exerted. It is commonly used to draw water from the well. Keep it in mind, in a pulley, the wheel is not rigidly attached to axle and is free to rotate without the influence of axle. In a wheel and axle, the wheel is rigidly attached to the axle and the wheel cannot rotate without the axle rotating or vice versa. Here some simple machines they have shown in the diagram. We have to identify simple machine or devices used in our daily life. Here scissor, screw, stapler, wine opener, wheelbarrow. So these are the types of simple machine. See, wine opener, it is a screw, stapler, lever, scissor, lever, wheelbarrow, lever, wheel and axle. Test yourself. Dash is needed to do work, energy. Second, dash makes the work easier, machine. Third, the factor by which a machine multiplies the force applied is called mechanical advantage. Fourth, simple machine where sloping surfaces are joined together to form an edge is called wedge. Fifth, in dash, the wheel is rigidly attached to the axle and is dashed, the wheel is free to rotate. In pulley, the wheel is rigidly attached to the axle and in wheel and axle, the wheel is free to rotate. Lever. What is a lever? A lever is the simplest of all types of machine. It is a simple machine. Lever is a straight, rigid object that can move freely about a point on which it takes rest. A lever consists of load, object to be lifted or moved, effort, force applied on the lever, fulcrum, fixed point about which the lever can rotate. Distance between load point to the fulcrum is called load arm. Distance between effort point to the fulcrum is called effort arm. Principle of a lever. The principle of a lever states that product of load and load arm is always equal to effort and effort arm. Load multiply load arm equal to effort into effort arm. Both are equal. So load by effort equal to effort arm by load arm. So this ratio L over E, load over effort equal to effort arm over load arm, this ratio is called mechanical advantage, symbolized as capital M, capital A. Now we will discuss about mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage of a machine is a ratio of load to effort. Mechanical advantage of a machine helps us to know how easier or faster a machine does the work. Since it is a ratio, it has no unit. No unit. Mechanical advantage equal to load by effort equal to effort arm by load arm. So if mechanical advantage is more than 1 means mechanical advantage is more than 1. It means effort is less than load. So object is easier to lift. So object is easier to lift. If mechanical advantage is less than 1 means mechanical advantage less than 1, it means effort is more than load. So what happened? Object moves more distance. Object moves more distance. If mechanical advantage is equal to 1, it means effort needed is equal to load. So same effort to lift the object, only the direction of force can change. What will be changed? Direction of force changes. So every simple machine has mechanical advantage. Important point to be noted: if mechanical advantage is less than 1, it does not mean that machine is not useful. It just means that instead of increasing the force, machine increases the speed of doing work.
Note down some question for the revision practice. Why we use simple machines? Question 2. What is mechanical advantage? Question 3. What is the unit of mechanical advantage? Revise chapter up to the lever.